That kind of things also can be done via condition. Do you see anywhere conditional?
Yes.
Condition, this part. If you click on the condition, the script will be coming. Do you see the script? Here you can write the script. What script you will be writing, I will let you know. Okay. Omit, no records means omit, no, if no records means what?
If no record is
In
found
the
for
report, if no records, yeah.
If there are no records which are related to close per week, understanding? Then don't send it. Don't send this email schedule. Fine. And here, what do you do?
Body.
Body. Fine. Type is the PDF. And how the size that and all you can select it. Okay, just try to save it, give the name. Okay. If you click on execute now, it will be executed directly. If you click on execute now. Okay. Next condition I was talking about. No? Condition. I wanted to be execute. Okay. Only Monday to Friday. Others I don't want it to be run it. Then what do you do? Can you do that condition also? Is that possible, by the way? Can
yes.
anybody guess it?
Yes, sir. By using glide date and time, we can.
Glide data and time. Okay. Also, do remember glide data and time. Okay. How do you check the today's one is Saturday or Sunday? Can you able to check it out?
Day of the week, like
Day of the week.
the function.
You can check it out. That one also possible. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Glide data and time, right? And other way, we are already having the scheduled what you call um, scheduler will be there or something. Let me try. The name was schedules, I think. Schedules. Schedules notification, not schedule email summary. Schedules, okay. It is not not CMN underscore. Is this the table? Yeah. So CMN underscore schedule is there. This is already by default table where it will be checking. Okay. Where it will be checking 24 by 7. What is 24 by 7? This is the schedule. 24 by 7 means?
7
Round the clock.
Yeah.
daily 24 hours.
Okay. Third Saturday maintenance. 8 to 5 weekdays. 8 to 5 weekdays means what? If you open it, okay, this is related to schedules. Okay. Nothing you can't, see any script here. It is internal one already by default one, which is already created. This is the table one. We never create it. ServiceNow is by default gives you this. Understanding? Show schedule, for example, where it is routing to. It is not opening. Okay. Do remember 8 to 5 weekdays means what? What are you expecting weekdays means? What is 8 to 5? Hmm? Is this timing? And is this weekdays means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday? Correct? Schedules.
Mm.
Correct, na? 24/7 means what?
So
What is
weekdays,
24? What is
time,
24?
hours,
Hours and
7 days.
days,
correct?
weekdays,
Okay. 8 to 5 weekdays means 8 to
5
5
weekday.
weekdays, excluding holidays means if there are any holidays, it will be excluding, correct? 8 to
Mm.
5 weekdays.
8
And
a.m., 5 days.
next, something like that, you will be having the schedule. Okay, that will be stored in separate table. The separate table is this. Now I will check something. Okay, what I will check in other way. You know already glide date and time, right? That way also you can try. The other way I'm just introducing you to get more control on the system. This is also there. What I will do, I will take up current date and time, current day or date and time. The day which is in here in this part, then execute it, report. If not, don't execute it. That kind of condition I will be writing. Understanding? Condition. So I will get data and time. How do I get the data and time, by the way? Hmm? How do I get new glide data and time? Correct?
Yes, current date and time it gives
Current
if it
data
is
and
week.
time. I will be moving down. Okay, condition. New glide data and time. Correct? What it gives you? The output of it, what?
Current data.
Today. Then also I will be going to schedule. Okay, there is something called glide schedule. Is also one of the API. Glide schedule is related to this. Okay, related to this particular API. Schedules related API. In the schedules, I will be talking about this. I will get the sys idea of this. Okay, I will call this. To call this, I need sys idea of this particular record. So what is the record of it? This. So I will go there. Schedule. What schedule? This schedule. Monday to something. Correct? Next, I'll be assigning it to the variable where ch something, sh, anything, schedule. Okay. Next, I will be comparing the current date and time, right? If it is inside of it, if it is inside the output of this, what? Can you tell me? What is output of it?
Monday to Friday.
Okay. If current date is within this limit, then execute this email report. If not, don't execute it. For that, condition can be written. If condition, okay, then statement, okay, and else part also I will be keeping here. Else, if condition met, what you want me to do it. If condition not met, what you want me to do it. What is the condition here?
If it is
ESH
true.
dot, okay, SH dot, do you see anything? You're not getting it. Huh? SH dot is in schedule. Is in schedule. Correct and spell is in schedule. Give me a moment. Let's schedule is in schedule. Then we'll give it is in schedule. Okay. And here what we need to keep today. So the output of it is true. Then go inside and just say answer. Next WER is true. Understanding? If not, don't execute it. Don't execute means answer is false. That's it. That is a condition. Do remember this. Okay. Answer equal to, okay, I think it is equal to, let me over it. Equal to, not directly, I can mention it. It's not something like return. Okay, answer equals to true. If answer equals to true means execute it. If answer equals to false means don't execute it. Understanding? This type of condition also you can be writing in the scheduled jobs. Fine. Okay, when it will be running now? Daily it will be running. Is that correct?
Yes.
Daily, this time 5 p.m. But exclude these days, this schedule. Means if it is there inside, then only run it. Saturday, Sunday, it will be excluded. Fine. This is how you'll be writing the schedules. Or if you are comfortable with glide data time, now that kind of thing also you can check it out. Okay. Hope you know glide data in time. How do you get the today's date? How do you get the current? If this week, end of the week, the day, that and all you will get it right.
Yes.
That also you can try from your end. If not, the new thing I had been introduced, glide schedule. This is also server side API. Okay. That is the one where you should have to check it out. And if you click on execute now, it will get executed directly. Okay. For this also states will be there actually. For schedule, states will be there. Do you see anywhere? States. States means what is the state of it? Let me save it.